Green flag, and now we wait for the lights. 3, 4, 5 red lights. And we're underway in Austria with a good start for Giovinazzi. It's another poor getaway from pole for Sorokin, and both Prima boys are alongside, trying to make a difference as Nato comes streaming through. It's Giovinazzi into the lead, Gasly into second place, and contact immediately for Canamasas at the back of the field. Will we have a safety car? Sorokin trying to come back as we've got a Trident. Gasly and Sorokin side by side as they head up the hill to turn 2. An enormous drag here. Braking, Gasly, is he going to tough it out? Well, he can't afford to have contact, and Sorokin gets blocked as Markelov is off the road, along with Ollie Rowland as well, but streaking through at the... And Markelov moves up. Talk us through the start, Guido.
Yeah, I think you see Sirotkin didn't have a good start at all. I mean, it looks like they bulked down quite a bit. Nato, he had a really good start. You can see straight away he took like 2 places in the middle. And yeah, I think Giovinazzi had a really clean run up the third corner, and I think they do a good job. You see here Rowland, you see he's still here 7 or 8. So after that, I think he lost quite a lot in turn 2 or turn 3.
Here's the smash at the back. First of all, it was Malia that Canamasas hit, and then another bite at the back of a GP2 car. This time, Jeffrey's rear wing getting destroyed in the process. Canamasas has had trouble with braking all weekend long. Let's go on board with the man in pole. He didn't keep the lead for very long.
Oh, you saw, I think he bulked down too much, so he was like really too far down with the revs, and I think he lost the momentum.